his shares were forfeited. He fails to pay the first call, no chance is given in the final call, his shares were forfeited at first call only. Mr. Sharon, the holder of 600 share, failed to pay the true call. He failed the first call, he failed the final call, failed to pay the true call. How many applications rejected? 5,000. How much accepted? 80,000. This is called pro rata. When he called for the first call, he fails to pay the first call. The company has got a power to cancel the share, that is called forfeiture. I am Dr. B.S. Subramaniam, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram First Rate College, a Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. I am going to handle Corporate Accounting 1 for third semester BCom. The chapter is Issue of Shares of a Joint Stock Company. So, the company plays an important role. It is a legal entity. So, we are going to solve the problem on issue of share. With a good problem, we are going to enter now. We will go with the problem now. Moni Company Limited invite application for 60,000 share of rupees 10 each at a premium of rupees 2 rupees 50 paisa. Extra money. What is the real value? 10. What is the extra money? 2 rupees 50 paisa per share. Payable on application rupees 10, on allotment 4 rupees 50 paisa means here what's your premium is 2 rupees 50 paisa. That means your real money is only 2 rupees only. Real money is 2, extra money is 2 rupees 50, it becomes 4 rupees 50 paisa. First call becomes rupees 2, second and final call at a stretch rupees 3. Application received for 85,000 shares, out of which how many shares are there? 60,000. How many applications received? 85,000. How much more? 25,000 application more. Out of which application 5,000 shares were rejected. Out of 85,000, 5,000 applications were rejected. Money was refunded. When you receive the application money fees, what is the entry? Bank account data to share application account. When you reject it, share application account data to bank account. How many application shares are there? 60,000. How many applications received? 85,000. How much more? 25,000. How much rejected? 5,000. How much still have got? 80,000 is there. How many shares are there? 60,000. How many applications with you? 80,000. Then out of which 5,000 shares money was refunded, the allotment was made and pro rata to the remaining applicant. Means for 60,000 share, we are accepting 80,000 application, that is called pro rata, proportionately accept. I am going to explain that. Then money was used against the allotment. Whatever the excess he paid on 20, that is adjusted to allotment, they say, means credited to allotment account. While paying the allotment money, he will pay less. Now he pay more in application, but less in allotment. Mr. Varun, whom 1,000 shares were allotted, fails to pay the first call, his shares were forfeited. He fails to pay the first call, no chance is given in the final call, his shares were forfeited at first call only. We will move on next one. Mr. Sharon, the holder of 600 share, failed to pay the true call. He failed the first call, he failed the final call, failed to pay the true call. His share were also forfeited. So, first man forfeited 1,000 share, second man forfeited 600 share, 1,600 shares were forfeited. All the forfeited shares were reissued at rupees 8. That is another person you have been entered to Mr. Arun at rupees 8 per share as per pass necessary journal entry and also prepare the balance sheet. So, we will go with the working note and I will explain. You see that you got shares is to application. How many shares are there? 60,000. How many application you have got? That is totally 60,000 we have got. If you see the board, you can understand. How many shares are there? 60,000. How many applications received? 85,000. For 60,000, we received 85,000 application. How many shares are there? 60,000. How many applications received? 85,000. How much rejected? 5,000. This is rejected. How many application rejected? 5,000. How much accepted? For 60,000 share, we accepted 80,000 application. I will repeat, you got 60,000 share. How many application received? 85,000 application received. How many application rejected? 5,000. How much accepted? 80,000. This is called pro rata. Cancel the zeros. Divided by 2. 2 3s are, 2 4s are. This is called pro rata basis, proportionately accepted. We say this is called proportionately accepted. So, how many shares are there? 60,000. How many applications received? 85,000. How many applications rejected? 5,000. So, we have got 60,000 is to 80,000. Cancel the zero. They are in the ratio of 3:4 divided by 2. 3:4. For every 3 share, we require 4 application. So, if you want a 6 share, you must have 8 application. No 1 share will be given. Minimum how much? 3, 6, 9, 12. 4, 8, 12. It will go like this. Multiple of 3, multiple of 4. This is called proportionately accepted. Now, we'll go with the entry. What is the entries are? Bank account data to share application account. Share application account data to share capital. If there is excess is there, to bank account refunded. Still excess is there, to share allotment account. Pass the what's the entry? Bank account data to share application account. What's the next common entry? Share application account data to share capital. If any money refunded to bank account, still excess is there, to share allotment account. What's your application fees? 3 rupees is there. We'll pass the entry going. Bank account data to share application account. You got how many shares are there? See that? See the board? You got 60,000 share and you got 3 rupees at the rate of 10 each. And also how many application received? 85. You got 60. How many application received? 85. So 85 into 3, that is 2,55,000. You received 85,000 application at the rate of rupees 3. It works out 2,55,000 to share application account 2,55,000. This is a receiving entry. Out of share application, actually we require 60,000 we are having at the rate of rupees 3 only. That means we require how much money? 1,80,000. How much X share allotment? How much application rejected? 5,000 application is rejected. At the rate of rupees 3, it is returned. Pay back to the applicant 15,000. This 15,000 has been paid back. Then, how much still you have got excess? No, 20,000 that is adjusted to allotment. This is 20,000 into 3. That is 60,000. So, what is our entry now? Bank account data to share application account we received. Share application account data to share capital, that is amount required. To share allotment account, excess adjusted to allotment account. How much rejected? 5,000. 5,000 into 3, 15,000. I think you have followed, or shall I repeat? First we received 85,000 application. What's your application fees? 3. 85,000 into 3, it works out how much? 2,55,000. Actually we require 60,000 into 3, 1,80,000. You received how many application? 85,000. Actually require 60. How much more? 25,000 application. How much rejected? 5,000. Pay back. How much still you have got in 20? Adjusted to allotment account. 20 into 3, 60,000. Then we'll move on to next entry. Allotment due, amount received. First call due, amount received. Final call due, amount received. Application is a real entry. Others are due entry, real entry, due entry, real entry. It goes. We'll go with the allotment. Your allotment is 4 rupees 50 paisa. So 60,000 into 4 rupees 50 paisa, including the premium. 2,70,000. Your real money is only 2. 60,000 into 2. It works out 1,20,000. Your premium is 60,000 into 2 rupees 50 paisa. Totally 4 rupees 50 paisa. Out of 4 rupees 50 paisa, what's your real money? 2 rupees. What's your premium? 2 rupees 50 paisa. Totally how much you have to receive? 2,70,000. Real money? 1,20,000. Premium is 1,50,000. So what's the total amount due? 2,70,000 is the due. In your application, already how much is credited? 60,000. How much money due? 2,70,000. How much already received? 60,000. So the balance is 2,70,000. 2,70,000. Already received 60,000. What's the balance? 2,10,000 we are going to receive. What's the entry? Bank account data to share allotment account. Actually you have to receive 2,70,000. How much already received? 60,000. What's the balance you are going to receive? 2,10,000. I think you follow. Next we'll move on to the first call. What's the value of the first call? 2 rupees. What's the due entry? Share first call account data 60,000 into 2, 1,20,000 to share capital account 1,20,000. Now who pays? One of the shareholder who holds how many share? 1,000 share fails to pay. So the remaining 59,000 they are going to pay now. How many shareholders paid? 1,000. What's the balance is? 59,000 is there. They are going to pay 2 rupees. So here another man, this is one entry, then another man holds how many shares? 600. So if you deduct now, totally we have got how much? Totally we have got actually 60,000. First man holds how many share? 1,000 share. Second man also fails 600 share. 1,600 has gone. If you deduct now, so only 58,400 share amount is coming in. I will repeat, you got 60,000 share. First man holds how many share? 1,000 share, fails to pay. Second man holds 600 share, he fails to pay the first call, he fails to pay the final call. How many shares has gone? 1,600. What's the balance left over? 58,400 into 2. It works out 1,16,800. So share first call account 1,16,800. I will repeat. You call 60 share. First man holds 1,000 share. He fails in the first call. No chance is given the final call. Which another man holds how many share? 600 share. He fails the first call. He fails both the calls fail means he failed in the first call. Failed in the final call means 1,600 as share. Total how much you got? 60,000. How many shares have gone? 1,006. How much left over? Only 58,400 into 2. It works out 1,16,000. Next, final call. What we are going to do with the final call now? Here, when the shares are forfeited now, how many shares were forfeited? 1,000 shares is forfeited. So what's your money? That is, what's your application fees? 3. What's your allotment? 2 rupees real money, 2 rupees 50 paisa premium. Real money is 3, 3 plus 2, 5. Then 2 rupees is the first call, 3 rupees the final call. How it go? 3 on application, 2 on allotment, 3 on first call, 2 on first call, 3 on final call is then. What he has paid, 600 share, what he has paid? He paid application, he paid allotment on how many share? 1,000 share. He paid application, he paid allotment, 2 rupees. He paid 3 on application, 2 on allotment. How much he paid? 5 rupees on what? On 1,000 share. Share capital account data. So it works out how much? 2 on application, 3 on application, 2 on allotment. Then if you go to first call, 2 on first call. So 2 plus 3, 5 plus 2, 7 only. No chance in the final call. No chance in the final call. On how many share? 1,000 share. So it works out share capital 1,000 into 7. 7,000 he has to pay. To share first call account. What's the first call money? 2 rupees he could not pay. 1,000 into 2. He could not pay. So how much already paid forfeited? He paid 2 on application, 3 on application, 2 on allotment. How much he paid? 5 rupees. That goes, when he cancel the share, that money goes in favor of the company. This is 1,000 into 5. 5,000. I will repeat. share, when you call for the first call, he fails to pay the first call. The company has got a power to cancel the share, that is called forfeiture. No chance is given in the final call. So how many share hold? 1000 share he hold. He paid application rupees 3, allotment 2. How much he paid? 5 rupees. And how many share? 1000. So 1000 into 5 is 5000 is paid. Now how much he has to pay first call? 2 rupees. 1000 to 2000 fails to pay. That is called calls in. Yes, he could not pay how much money? 2000. For how much money? 7000. This entry for first man. This entry for first man. So he failed. His shares were forfeited. Next, move on. Share final call account data to share capital account. So when the first call failed, you call for only 59,000 share into 3. 59,000 into 3 is 1,77,000 which we have to receive. Whom we have called for? First man we have not called for at all. We have not called for the first man a call because he fails to pay the first call. No chance is given in the final call. Now, when you are receiving the final call, even the 600 is not paid. So how much you have got? 60,000 is there. 1000 is not for. What is the amount you have called for? 59,000. Out of that 600 is there. He won't pay. Out of 59,000. How much he holds? 600 is there. He could not pay. This is 58,400. You are good to read. 58,400. Remaining at the rate of rupees 3. I think you understand? Bank account data 58,400, 1,75,000 to share call account 1,75,200. So in the final call, you are going to receive only 58,400. How it can 60 minus 1 is 59,600, 58,400 we are going to receive. Now his shares were forfeited. How many shares he hold? 600. Final chance we given. He failed in the first call, he failed in the final call. He paid only application and allotment. What's your application fees? 3. What's your allotment money? 2 rupees. 5 rupees paid on how many share? 600. 600 into 5 is 3,000 he paid. Forfeited shares account. Here share capital account data. Here got 600 into 10. 6,000 he has to pay. Actually, to forfeited shares account. How much already paid? 3,000 he paid. He paid forfeited how many share? 3,000 is already paid. He share first call account. Here share first call account 600 into 2. This is 1,200. In the final call, he has to pay 3 rupees. This is 600 into 3. 1,800. Totally how much he has to pay? 6,000 he has to pay. How much already paid? 3,000. How much failed in the first call? 1,200. How much failed in the final call? 1,800 rupees. Totally how much he has to pay? 6,000. How much already paid? 3,000. First call he paid 1,200. Final call 1,800. We'll move on to next one. Now, it has been reissued. That man be reissued. How many share? 1,600 share has been reissued. What rate the problem says? See that. It has been reissued what rate? So 1,000 shares of first man, 600 of second man, reissued what rate? Here 1,600 at rupees 8. It comes to 12,800. So how much you could not get? 1,600 into 2. 3,200 we could not get. Share capital is 6,600 into 10. This is your 16,000. I will repeat. You got first man 1,000 share, second man 600 share, totally 1,600 share that have been forfeited. Reissued what rate? At rupees 8, it comes to 12,800. You suffered a loss of how much? 2 rupees, 3,200, 16,000. The last entry, forfeited shares account data to capital. How it will come, I will tell you. If you see the board, what's the credit entry here? 2 forfeited share. You have got how much credit entry is there? 6,000 is there. Then you move on to this now. You got another 3,200 is there now. We'll move on to that. If you see the board, you can understand. Bank account, share capital account, 2 forfeited share. How much you have got? 5,000 is there. It's a gain entry. Credit entry is a gain entry. Next, this is goes to first man. Next, credit is how much? 3,000. 5,000 plus 3,000, 8,000 is a credit entry. Then 3,200 is a debit entry. Difference is 4,800. So first credit entry 5,000. Next credit entry 3,000. 5,000, 3,000 becomes 8,000. How much debit entry? 3,200 is a debit entry. How much excess is there? 4,800. This will go to capital reserve. What is capital reserve? The excess money. The excess money will be kept in the company. If the company has got a shortage, that money will be utilized as a capital. So that's called how the capital reserve has been raised because of the forfeiture. Because of the forfeiture, it has been raised. First is a credit entry, second is a credit entry, reissue is a debit entry. So 2 credit, 1 debit, 5,000 plus 3,000 minus 3,000. That means you have got 3,200 debited. The difference is 4,800. That will go to capital reserve. Now we'll move on to how bank account is prepared. How much received on application? We see that working out. How much is an application? 2,55,000. Remember, 2,55,000 in application. Then, how much you received in allotment? 2,10,000. First one, 2,55,000. Second one, 2,10,000. Third one, you got 1,16,800. First one, 2,55,000. Second one, 2,10,000. Third one, 1,16,800. Only see the bank. Next you receive how much? 1,75,200. Then when forfeited, what's the bank? No, 12,800. All will be put into debit side of the bank account. If you say you receive an application, you receive an allotment, you receive on the first call, you receive on the final call, forfeited and issue. What is the total amount? 7,69,800. Out of application, excess of 5,000 application is rejected. 15,000 has been rejected. Money has been refunded. What's the balance left over? 7,54,800. This is your cash at bank. So your balance sheet should tally to how much money? 7,54,800. We'll move on to the balance sheet. This is the vertical column of the balance sheet. Every company has to follow vertical column only. As per the Companies Act of 2013, you have to follow vertical column only. So equity, share and liability, shareholder, share capital you got about 60,000 shares of rupees 10 each. It works out how much? 6 lakh. Then you have got heading called reserve and surplus. Your security premium is there. That's 60,000 into rupees 50 paisa. That comes to 1,50,000. Your capital reserve is 4,800. Totally it works out 7,54,800. When you go to the cash at bank, what's your cash at bank figure? 7,54,800. That means whatever the problem you have solved is correct because source is equal to this is your application, this is your source. Your liability is called source, this is called application. How much source you have got? 7,54,800. How much you applied? 7,54,800. So if you want, I can repeat once again. In this problem, you got about 60,000 shares. But how many applications received? 85,000 application has been seen. How many applications have been rejected? 5,000 applications have been rejected. Money have been refunded. So 5,000 into 3, 15,000 have been refunded. How much we accepted? 20,000. That is adjusted to allotment account. How many applications? 85. So we'll see that how the entry goes. Bank account debtor to share application account. Second entry, share application account debtor to share capital to share allotment. 2 bank account refunded. This is 20,000 excess, this is 5,000 excess. While you are receiving the allotment money, how much money you receive less? 60,000. We'll move on to next one. Due entry. Share allotment, how much money to be received? 2,70,000. Real money is 1,20,000. Your premium is 1,50,000. How much already received in application? 60,000. Out of 2,70,000, 60 means 2,10,000 we received. We move on to the first call. share first call account data to share capital account. One shareholder who holds 1000 share fails to pay the first call. Another man who holds 600 share also fails to pay the first call. Total how many you have got? 60,000. How many shares failed? 1600. How much you got? 58,400 into 2. It works out 1,16,800. Make the this is now the share have been forfeited. No chance is given the final call. He paid application 3, allotment 2. How much he already paid? 5 rupees. On how many share? 600 share. So he fails to pay the first call. So 3 on application, 2 on allotment, 2 on the first. Totally the face value becomes only 7, not the 10, because no chance is given in the final call. So how it goes? 3 on application, 2 on allotment, 2 on the first call. Totally 7. On how many share? You got 1000. So 1000 into 7 is 7000 he has paid. To share first, he fails to pay the 2 rupees. This is failed. He failed to pay. How much already paid? This is paid. How much already paid? 5,000. That goes in favor of the company because he could not pay the first call. Share capital account data, 2 forfeited shares account, 2 share. This is share first call account, 2 share forfeited shares account. Then we'll go to the final call. While making the final call, 1000 share is not called for because his shares were forfeited. Only how many share? 59,000. At what rate? Rupees 3. It is 1,77,000 which we are going to be received. But out of that, no, we could not receive 600 means how many shares you are going to receive? 58,400. At what rate? 3 rupees only. 1,75,200 we are going to receive. Now, how many shares were forfeited? 600 share. What's your face value? Up to 5. 2, 3 on application, 2 on allotment, then 2 on first call, 3 on final. Totally 10 rupees. 610, 6,000. How much already paid now? Application fees, allotment 5 rupees, 605, 3,000 he has paid. He fails to pay the first call of rupees 2. That is 602,200. He fails to pay the final call of 3,800. So 6,000 he has to pay, 3,000 already paid, fails to pay 1,200, fails to pay 1,800. You see all the credit entries are, then move on. So entire 1,600 has been reissued at rupees 8. First man 1,000 share, second man 800 share, totally 1,600 share have been reissued at what rate? At rupees 8, 12,800. How much loss we suffered? 3,200. Now, this is excess money. How you got? In the first share, you got credited 5,000. Second, you got credited 3,000. 5,000 plus 3,800. Debited is 3,200. How much excess is there? 4,800. That will go to capital reserve. Then we go to the what's called. We receive an application, we receive an allotment, we receive on the first call. Only we have to see the bank account, that bank account. We receive an application, we receive an allotment, we receive on the first call, we receive on the final call, we receive the share capital. Total how much you received? 7,69,800. How many refunded? 50. How much left over? 7,54,800. That is your cash at bank. 7,54,800 is a cash. When you do the balance sheet, you should be tallied to how much money? 7,54,800. We'll go to balance sheet now. You got how many share? 60,000 share. At what rate? 10 rupees. 60,000 to 10 is 6 lakh. Then you have got a security premium 1,50,000 capital. In your heading reserve and surplus, only 2 items will come. One is the share premium or security premium. Second is the capital reserve. Here, so this is cash in bank is the current asset. While you are doing the bank account, you have got a balance carried down of how much? 7,54,800. So your source is 7,54,800. Your application also 7,54,800. I think you have followed. If you have a doubt, in the next section, once again we will discuss. But always the problem involves only oversubscription and forfeiture. Be careful about this. If any doubt you have got, we will discuss in the next session also. Here, before going, I have done one is always premium. They will ask in exam public. This is public exam type we are going to solve now. Here, always oversubscription is it. According to this problem, how much you got? You got 60,000 share. 85,000 application received, 5,000 application have been rejected. How much accepted? 80. For 60,000 you accepted 80. That is called pro rata adjustment. Then another point, no, the first man who holds how many share? 1,000 share, fails to pay the first call. No chance is given in the final call, means his shares were forfeited at the end of the first call only. 600 share means fails the both the calls, means first call and the final call, final chance will be given. So a bank account is given, wherever bank comes now, you have to make the debit entry, how much you have received, how much you have been, this credit side is refunded, debit side what we have been received, your cash at bank is like this, same amount should come in the balance sheet. So what is heading of the balance sheet? Sources and application. So it's a vertical column, you have to prepare the balance sheet only in the vertical column only. As per the Companies Act of 2013, you have to prepare vertical. The horizontal balance sheet has gone. You have to prepare only on vertical column. First source, then application. In the source we got share capital, then reserve and surplus, that is a security premium and capital reserve. Here we may get a cash at bank and the fixed asset may also come. So I have explained detailing. Still you have got any doubt, we can have in the next class still some more problem, so that I can go very slowly. Till then, goodbye. Meet you once again in the next session. We'll have some more good problems about the issue of share with oversubscription. Till then, goodbye, good day.